Today, we will talk about the Government Pension Fund of Norway, GPFN. The Government Pension Fund of Norway is made up of two separate Norwegian investment funds with different mandates. The first is the Government Pension Fund Global, also known as the Oil Fund. Established in 1990 to invest surplus revenues of the Norwegian petroleum sector, the GPFG is the world's largest sovereign wealth fund. It also holds real estate and fixed income investments. The second fund is the Government Pension Fund of Norway, GPFN. Established in 1967 as something of a national insurance fund, it is smaller than the Oil Fund. It is managed separately and limited to domestic and Scandinavian investments. As a result, it is a major shareholder of many consequential Norwegian companies via the Oslo Stock Exchange. The Government Pension Fund of Norway is managed under the guise of the Ministry of Finance, as laid out by the Act of Parliament and guidelines that include a set of supplementary provisions. The Norges Bank Investment Management manages the global fund on behalf of the Ministry of Finance. An ethical council has the authority to exclude from the fund firms that take part in activities deemed objectionable. Investment manager Folketrygdfondet manages the domestic fund. The stated goal of the Government Pension Fund is to facilitate government savings to account for the rising costs of the public pension program. It also intends to support long-term considerations related to how the government spends Norway's significant petroleum revenues. The Ministry of Finance's investment strategy for the Government Pension Fund looks to maximize returns while taking on a moderate level of risk. The fund may divest its oil and gas holdings in the near future, which could have global investment implications. Here are three key takeaways. 1. The Government Pension Fund of Norway is made up of two separate Norwegian investment funds. The first is the Government Pension Fund Global, GPFG, also known as the Oil Fund, and the second fund is the Government Pension Fund of Norway, GPFN. 2. The Government Pension Fund of Norway is managed under the guise of the Ministry of Finance. 3. The stated goal of the Government Pension Fund is to facilitate government savings to account for the rising costs of the public pension program. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.